Hey there. I'm going to walk you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to get rid of fleas for good. No more itching, no more scratching, just a peaceful, flea-free home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, it's important to understand what we're dealing with. Fleas are tiny, but they can cause big problems. These little jumpers can infest your pets, your home, and even you. They reproduce quickly. One flea can lay up to 50 eggs a day, so it's crucial to act fast. Fleas can also live for several months, which means if you don't take the right steps, they'll keep coming back. But don't worry, by following the steps in this guide, you'll get rid of them effectively. Start with your pets. Since pets are the main carriers of fleas, that's where we need to begin. First, grab a flea comb and gently comb through your pet's fur, especially around the neck and tail area. Flea combs have tightly spaced teeth that can catch fleas and their eggs. Have a bowl of soapy water nearby. Dish soap works great for this, so you can dip the comb into it and kill the fleas immediately. Next, you'll need to treat your pet with a flea-specific product. There are shampoos, topical treatments, and oral medications that work wonders. Choose a product that's safe and recommended by your vet. According to a study by the Veterinary Parasitology Journal in 2018, topical treatments containing ingredients like fipronil and methoprene have shown excellent results in killing adult fleas and preventing eggs from hatching. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully to ensure your pet's safety and the treatment's effectiveness. Wash everything. While your pet is being treated, it's time to tackle their environment, your home. Start by washing all bedding, including your pet's bed, in hot water. Flea eggs and larvae can't survive the high temperatures, which is why this step is so crucial. Don't forget to wash any blankets, rugs, or clothing that your pet frequently comes into contact with. Use the hottest water setting your washing machine has and dry everything on high heat. If you're dealing with a severe infestation, you might want to wash items twice to make sure all the fleas and eggs are gone. Vacuum. Vacuuming is one of the most effective ways to remove fleas from your home. Fleas and their eggs can hide in carpets, furniture, and even cracks in the floor. According to a study by the University of Kentucky, vacuuming can remove up to 50% of flea eggs and larvae from carpets. So, grab your vacuum and get to work. Make sure to use the attachments to get into corners, along baseboards, and under furniture. Focus on areas where your pets spend the most time. After vacuuming, immediately empty the vacuum bag or canister into a sealed garbage bag and take it outside. This will prevent any fleas from escaping back into your home. Create a flea trap. If you want to monitor your progress and catch any remaining fleas, here's a simple but effective trick. Create a flea trap. All you need is a shallow dish or bowl, some dish soap, and a bit of water. Fill the dish with soapy water and place it under a light source overnight. Fleas are attracted to light and will jump towards it, landing in the water where they'll get trapped and drown. This method isn't a cure-all, but it's a great way to reduce flea numbers and see if there are any still lingering around. Use diatomaceous earth for long-term control. Next up is one of my favorite natural solutions, diatomaceous earth. This fine powder is made from fossilized algae and is completely safe for humans and pets when used correctly. When fleas come into contact with it, the powder damages their exoskeletons, leading to dehydration and death. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth lightly over carpets, pet bedding, and any areas where fleas might be hiding. Leave it for a few hours or even overnight, then vacuum it up. Repeat this process every few days until you're sure the fleas are gone. Prevent future infestations. Once you've gotten rid of the fleas, you'll want to keep them from coming back. Regularly vacuuming your home, washing your pet's bedding, and using flea prevention treatments on your pets are key. There are also flea sprays available that can be used around your home. Look for ones with ingredients like pyriproxyfen or methoprene, which are insect growth regulators, IGRs, that prevent flea eggs from hatching. By following these steps, you can say goodbye to fleas for good. Remember, the key is persistence. Fleas are tough, but with the right approach, you can get rid of them and keep your home and pets flea-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with any questions or your own flea-busting tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck!